What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and Rob's Auto Detail. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Dewalt 20 volt. I've seen that it was recently on sale at Lowe's, so I went out there and I picked one out. I've really been trying to get one of these, and right now I'm in my tool shed. I don't have a what do you call it, a garage to go inside and make all these cool videos, but I do have a little shed in the back, my backyard, so I gotta work with what I got, right? You gotta do what you gotta do. So I recently purchased this drill brush. I haven't even opened it yet. I bought this before I bought the drill. Obviously we've seen all those cool videos where you clean the interior of the cars and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this and put this aside right here. We'll get back to that in a minute. Let's see, I haven't even cut these little tabs here, so I'll go ahead and cut these carefully. I don't want to cut myself. Last time I did cut myself with this exact blade. It's very sharp. So here we go. It's my first very own personal drill, and I did want to get a cheaper one that was not Dewalt, but I said, hey, what the heck, might as well get the real thing. And yeah, I'm excited, man. This thing was like I believe $99 on sale, and I told the wife it's an early Father's Day gift. So here we go, we're unboxing it. Let's take it out of the bag. There it is. It's a lot tinier than what I thought. The box is a lot bigger than the little bag. Put this aside over here. I also got this little cool what do you call it, Craftsman, what do you call it, tote. I'm gonna be setting up here pretty soon, storing all my things. Let's see, so we'll go ahead and open up the Dewalt bag. You got a bunch of paperwork. We'll read that later. And here is the main guy. Oh, it's a lot smaller than what I actually thought, but it is. I saw a lot of reviews on this one. It's really nice, actually. It has some really good padding right here, the rubber padding. Let's see what else I see. Pretty much just the drill itself, guys. Like I said, it's my first drill, so I'm not an expert on these things. I just know this is the one I needed. It's a drill driver, a 1/2 inch. I don't even have any drill bits yet. This is just an unboxing. We're gonna go right in here. We're gonna see the charger. There's the charger, that's what you get. Dewalt. Has little indicators right here. Pretty cool. Put that aside. And we're gonna go ahead in here. Take out one battery. Not just one battery, but 2 batteries. Isn't that pretty cool? $99. 2 batteries, charger, and of course the Dewalt. There we go. I always thought of Dewalt as being like almost #1 in the market. I don't know why, but I guess it's like a really good brand, right? Let me know what you guys think. I did look at the I think it was the orange one. What is it called? I'm not sure what it's called. Rigid, but I did not go with that. I just decided to get the tough Dewalt. There's nothing left in the baggie. It's a pretty cool baggie they give you just to safe keep everything, so it's not all over the place, you know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This is the unboxing of the Dewalt 20 volt max brushless. has a speed right here. We're gonna be seeing this in the video. I can do some headlight restoration. Actually, I had it laying around here somewhere. Did I bring it in here with me? I thought I did. Let me see, look around. Maybe it might be in here. Let me go ahead and get that for you guys. Is it in there? Yep, it's in there. Look what I got here. And you just close this back up. Here we go. You guys know I love Meguiar's. Here's Meguiar's, the heavy duty headlight restoration kit. As you can see in the little picture, it has a drill. Obviously drill not included, but we're going to be doing some headlight restorations very soon. Let's see right here. I'm trying to unbox this for you guys. Yep, there's all the stuff included in here. So we'll be seeing that pretty soon. I'll show you a little. I'll just take that out for you guys. Hopefully the lighting's pretty good in here because my door keeps opening and shutting. See here we have it. There's a headlight restoration kit. We're gonna be lightly sanding headlights and polishing with this drill driver. Okay, this will just go right in there. Pretty cool. And yeah, just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys of the unboxing of the Dewalt. Let me know what you guys think. Any tips and tricks you guys might know. Put it down in the comments. What speed maybe I should use. If I should use this setting, or where I should what number I should check out. I'll be looking around to see what I can find, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. We'll be seeing this in future videos. Like I said, it's just an unboxing. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.